The highest railway station in India, Khum. We are at Khum railway station.
7,400 축복을 부르고 원래는
Blue, clear blue sky. We are situated the highest railway station of India.